Hi everyone! Have you watched this video of Emma's painting collab with Bryce? If not, well, it's time for you to check it out. Cause today's video is all about recreating Chip the cat from the movie Argylle. We'll be using Emma's signature brush set, which includes one mop and 3 round brushes in different sizes. I've already sketched out the design, but you can download a template from Emma's video, so be sure to check it out for the link. First, I'm removing the glue from the brushes, and then I'll apply a light wash on the cat. Honestly, I'm feeling a bit nervous because painting animals isn't my strong suit. It's definitely one of my weaknesses, but I'll just try to enjoy the process and see how it turns out. I'm really excited to be painting Chip, the adorable and famous cat owned by Claudia Schiffer. So Claudia is married to Matthew Vaughn, who is the director and producer of the movie Argylle. Anyway, have you seen the movie? If so, share your thoughts in the comments below. I also discovered that Chip has its own Instagram account and it's really hilarious. And here's the final painting. Feel free to give it a try and share your work with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy painting!